Hi students, welcome back. Today in this video session we will learn about electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene. Electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene. So what are electrophilic substitution reactions and what about the mechanism, that we will discuss in this video session. So let's begin. Electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene. So coming to the benzene, we know it's a 6-membered cyclic ring which having alternate pi bonds, which follows aromatic rules, like it's a planar structure, and here alternate pi bonds, delocalization of pi electrons, and follows 4n plus 2, that is Huckel rule. So if that compound which is cyclic having alternate pi bonds which is planar follows Huckel rule called aromatic compound. So here this is a benzene. There is no substituent on this benzene ring. Each carbon experiences same characteristics. See here, simply what about the carbons? Each carbon is sp2 hybridized carbon. So here we are discussing about electrophilic substitution reaction. Simply we are taking electrophile. I am just giving a basic reaction. Here I am just taking electrophile. That electrophile is going to replace the hydrogen. Here see 6 carbons are there. So each carbon having one hydrogen. So this electrophile is going to replace one of these 6 hydrogens. Example, I am just substituting here. So I am just removing this hydrogen as a H plus and I am just substituting, means I am just bonding with this electrophile. So after the reaction I am getting product like this. So instead hydrogen I just replaced electrophile. Here positive fragment is coming inside, that means at this carbon, and H plus is going outside. So simply this reaction called electrophilic substitution reaction. Then what about this H plus? This H plus is neutralizes with the negative fragment which came from reagent, like I am writing HX minus, that means H plus X minus. So here E plus I am taking X minus. So here see these EX minus and E plus, these are two coming from the reagent. So after substitution, electrophile is substituting here, H plus is coming outside, so that H plus is neutralizes with this X minus, like we just substituted that electrophile at this carbon. Like we have other 5 carbons also there, every carbon having a same environment, so there is no regioselectivity. Means see here there is no need of selecting this hydrogen, or this hydrogen. All are having the same characteristics. If we having a substituent on benzene, like example, this is the compound which is phenol. Actually this is electron donating group. Example, here I am taking that benzoic acid. Actually this is electron withdrawing group. So based on the substituent, here this is electron withdrawing group. If the benzene having electron withdrawing group, it directs electrophile towards meta position, because due to the resonance presence of electron withdrawing group, we will get a neutral center at this carbon. Ortho and para carbons become positively centers, and this meta position become somewhat electron cloud center. Coming to electron donating groups, see here ortho para. See ortho para on resonance get negatively centers. That means electron cloud increases around this ortho position and para position. So obviously electrophile attract towards these carbons, ortho para. When we have electron withdrawing group, it directs electrophile towards meta position, because at ortho and para positions there is electron deficiency increases. So when we have a substituent, then we need to think about that which position is sufficient, means which position is electron rich position. So based on that you just substitute the electrophile at a particular carbon. If it is electron donating group is present on the benzene ring, simply you just substitute this electrophile at ortho or para. That means you will get two products, one is ortho substituted, one is para substituted. If you have electron withdrawing group, obviously meta position is ready to substitute electrophile. So that is presence of donating group or withdrawing group. Coming to benzene, there is no donating group, there is no withdrawing group, all the carbons are showing same environment. So you can select any one of these 6 carbons and you can substitute any one of these 6 hydrogens. So this is a common basic reaction. So now I am taking example, that is chlorination. I am taking example, that is chlorination. So for the chlorination, what I am doing, I am just substituting the hydrogen with Cl plus. So here this is Cl plus, which is electrophile, So what about the generation of the Cl plus? That and mechanism I will discuss. Here I am writing a simple reaction. This is a benzene ring. I am taking the reagents mixture, that is Cl2 with any Lewis acid. Lewis acid, you can take aluminium chloride, that is AlCl3, or ferric chloride or ferric bromide, which are acts as a Lewis acids. I am taking AlCl3, which is acts as a Lewis acid. So why this is acting as a Lewis acid, we will discuss in the mechanism. See here, this is the reactant, this is the reaction mixture. Finally I am getting the product, which is chlorine substituted, The benzene converted into chlorobenzene. Along with this we are getting byproduct like HCl, This is the reaction path. I am writing the mechanism here. So which electrophile is substituting the hydrogen? Cl plus. So first we need to generate Cl plus, then that is going to substitute one of the 6 hydrogens. So to generate that electrophile, first I am taking Cl2, that means chlorine bonded to chlorine. There is a Cl2 which is reacting with AlCl3. See here, aluminium belongs to third A group, which is having S2p1 electron configuration. This is the aluminium. What about the configuration? It's NS2np1. The stable configuration become NS1np2. That means s orbital, which is valency s orbital, here valency p orbitals, px, py, pz, s1 p2, px1, py1. Here we have one empty orbital. So 3 chlorines are bonding, covalent bond with these 3 unpairs. So here AlCl3 with one empty shell. Due to this empty shell, what about this aluminium trichloride acting as Lewis acid, always ready to accept lone pair. So due to this reason, this AlCl3 acting as a Lewis acid. Now chlorine to chlorine bond get cleaved heterolytically. Now we are getting, see, this bond electrons are shifted towards this chlorine. So what about this chlorine? It's become Cl plus. And we are having Cl minus. So this Cl minus is filling this orbital. It's become AlCl4 minus. So finally we got Cl plus. Which is acts as a electrophile. So now I am taking this electrophile and substituting in any one of these 6 hydrogens. I am writing the mechanism here. This is a benzene ring. This is Cl plus. See here, out of these 3 pi bonds, any one of these pi bond, example, this is a pi bond, which electron shifted to this carbon. So now we are getting positive charge at this carbon, negative charge at this carbon, because this electron is shifted towards this carbon, like electromeric effect, negative and positive. What happening here? Here we are getting a negative charge. So these 2 electrons are attracting this Cl plus. So now we are getting here plus bond as it is, and here we got new sigma bond between carbon to chlorine, and hydrogen is as it is. Hydrogen is as it is. Now, due to the presence of conjugation with positive charge, simply these pi electrons shifted towards carbocation, means involving in resonance. So due to the resonance, we are getting the next step like bond here, the Cl as it is, hydrogen as it is. We are getting positive charge at this carbon. Now these pi electrons are shifting here. We are getting pi bond here, Cl as it is, hydrogen. See here, this carbon getting positive charge. Now carbon to hydrogen sigma bond electrons are converting into carbon to carbon pi bond. See here, carbon to hydrogen sigma bond, which is involving in a hyperconjugation, like carbon to hydrogen sigma bond electrons are converting into pi bond, then this carbon getting neutral, and we are getting H plus. Here see, the major product become here bond as it is here bond, and we got chlorobenzene. And what about here? We got H plus. This H plus neutralizes this AlCl3 minus. Now I am taking AlCl4 minus plus H plus. As it is, Cl minus coming outside, we are getting HCl plus AlCl3, which is neutral, acts as a Lewis acid. So this is we can take as a catalyst, HCl catalyst. See, before actually Cl2, instead Cl2, now we got HCl. Instead Cl plus, here we have H plus Cl minus. What about here? Cl plus Cl minus. So this Cl plus is substituted one of the 6 hydrogens. That H plus is neutralizing this Cl minus. Then we got HCl. So this is a simple electrophilic substitution reaction mechanism. I'm just discussed with this chlorination. Like we have bromination, sulfonation, nitration, Friedel-Crafts, acylation, as well alkylation. So those we will discuss in the next video. So I hope you understand what about the electrophilic substitution reaction and its mechanism. If you like the video, subscribe the channel, share, like, comment, and hit the bell icon so that you will get latest video lectures. Thank you.